he said the only way he'll run me if I run Josh. So I'll take the L with Josh.
Yeah.
So get the race.
And then he'll race me. He has a gas supercharger. Wes's truck is super fast.
You make 3 times the
torque.
torque.
Are these excuses now that he's saying that I have?
Dude, I make
What are you talking about?
440.
Wes should beat me. If he doesn't beat me,
how should
then
I?
don't.
You
I
make
don't know
3
what's
times
wrong.
the torque.
What's up and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm actually more on time than I normally am for one of these events. I'm still late, but not really late. But anyways, today we're going to an event for a guy named Chad. Chad is a 16-year-old with leukemia who is really into custom cars. And so a couple people put together an event to just bring out a flood of the truck community, the car community, and then to kind of show you guys how big it is. I mean, it sounds like our entire group is coming together. I mean, I'm talking Dmax, Josh, supposedly Carlos is coming, Wheezy, Nardo, everybody, Wes, Crit, like it's bringing a lot of people together. And then after the event, I think we got some racing action lined up. I think we're gonna all jump in the trucks, head down to Mexico, and see if we can get some truck racing going on. Oh, who's this dapper gentleman over here just eating breakfast by himself? Oh, good morning, good sir. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Wait, you having breakfast by yourself? Where's Wes?
I think he died.
Right? Did he go MIA? I haven't heard from him at all.
First Carlos, now Wes.
Seriously. All right, well, so far the morning is a little cluttered. We're down a few people. Dmax barbecue's too sick to come. Wes went MIA. Nobody's heard from him. Not answering his phone. So, Wes, where are you, buddy? But we're gonna go meet up, I believe, with Eddie, Fern's barbecue. We got Fern pulling up. Oh, we pulled out all the stops today.
Merry Christmas.
Howdy. I think that means everybody's here. It just got loud over here real quick. Nardo can't see me, he's too short. This is chaos right now. Well, you know everybody but Carlos, you know.
Who's Carlos?
I don't even know.
Never heard of her.
Just look how big Josh looks compared to everybody around him. Like, even sideways, you're huge, bro.
Still thicker than they are. Huh?
Yeah. So one of the things we like to do before we roll into shows, since we're all coming from different parts of the state, we all like to meet up in a parking lot before. That way we all roll in together. I didn't expect we'd have this many guys coming out. I mean, we got Dmax Josh over there all the way from, I think his drive's like 4 or 5 hours. Austin's drive was 4 hours. So it's really cool to see everybody coming out and supporting. Make a sign for our buddy Chad, bro. Here you go. I got you some markers, man. We're all making signs for Chad, dude. I want to see your arts and crafts skills.
Oh, what the hell? I don't know no arts and crafts.
Come on, do it for Chad. I'll do double pin, same time.
All right.
Yeah.
Work for it, Chad.
Go Chad.
Go Chad.
Go Chad. All right, you know how to spell Chad?
Yes, I know how to spell Chad.
All right, just making sure.
The Chad.
The Chad? Yeah, sick. Howdy! What up? Look at, he learned, dude. If there's gonna be a camera around, he's wearing something alkylate and carrying extra alkylate. Thank you, buddy. Oh, it's cold too? I don't think we've ever seen Eddie come out to any truck-related event other than like the one meet that we had. It's because it's like down the street from his house.
Because the Arabs are here.
Where? We got Fern getting the solar powered barbecue rig set up.
Oh yeah.
Dang, the whole thing's on actuators too?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, good morning, buddy. How you doing? Only a couple hours late.
Couple hours. The flyer said 11.
Well, you know, you were the one that told us to meet up at 8.
Yeah.
What happened to that, buddy?
Had a long night.
So on top of some truck racing going on after this, there's going to be a foot race, mainly between Weezy over here and Jarek.
You brought the hibachi? My son.
My kid. Your son?
My son.
There's some in and out on the line here.
I brought the PF Flyers, bro. Those are not PF Flyers.
You're in the truck, bro. Relax.
Jarek's over here overthinking his start. He's gonna lose it.
Why is the Nike sign backwards? No, it's not backwards.
All right. I'm gonna MC this race. Let's go. Line them up. Come on, boys. Come on, Wes, you ready? I know you just woke up 5 minutes ago. You ready to race? Chug that Red Bull real quick. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. There it is. All right, that was. Yeah, all right, whatever. We'll work with that. We'll work with that. Come on. Let's line them up. Yep, take the sweatshirt off. Oh yeah, good stretching, Weezy. Looking good, buddy. Wes is about to pull something stretching this way. I don't know. Careful, boys, careful. We're betting. I got money on Wes.
I got $5 on Weezy.
All right, hey. Yeah. I got 10 on Wes. I'll match your $5. 10. I've got Wes.
10 on Weezy.
10 on Weezy. 10 on Weezy.
5 on
Eddie.
No, Wes.
And once it leaves my hand, just start going.
Oh, come on. Wes got this. Wes got this. Oh! Wes got some legs on him, buddy. Wes got some legs on him. Good job, Wes. Good job. Still the fastest guy on the channel. All right, I guess we've got round number 2. Ready, set, go. Dang. Wes's face, dude.
And he's got a disadvantage with all that fucking wind. We bet in and out.
Yeah, we
did.
did.
Don't know. Two
Much better than Whataburger.
cheeseburgers, 2 double doubles, animal fries, and lemonade.
Pink lemonade.
And a t-shirt. No, we bet meals, not
No,
clothes.
I remember the t-shirt. All right, let's do it, boys. Let's go. Here we go. Places. Welcome. Come on over, brother. You probably don't know who I am, but they handed me a microphone, so I'm just gonna talk. Everybody came out to see you, man. How's it going, man? Ryan. Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you guys so much.
It's like instant power. It runs out.
This guy pulling up right here, his name's Carlos. He copied my truck almost exactly. We call him Little Rhino.
Oh, Little Rhino.
Little Rhino. Carlos, you're gonna hit the credit, buddy. Carlos, you want to drive it for you?
He's only like 4 foot tall, so he can't really.
All right, yep, that works.
Share your story online. Tag as much people I can. We didn't ask nothing from nobody. Pep Boys and Hemet reached out to me to give it to you.
It's our family reunion, Little Rhino, man. I haven't seen you in years, bro.
I'm bigger than you now. I just got it back from Bulletproof. Now I'm at 15 inches. You're at 14? Yeah, right. I'm at
Chad's first time driving right here. That's a heck of a car to drive for your first time. So you guys know Carlos has really been trying to make his truck look like mine. He did the grill, he did the mirrors, he did the headlights. Now he's got bumpers. They're not quite flog bumpers. I heard he did his interior too.
Oh, wow, look, he's got work for it on the head.
Oh, shit. Damn it, Ryan.
Dude, really? Diamond stitching and all. I mean, it's the knockoff single diamond stitch, but.
Oh, shit.
Jeez. Carlos, bro.
But watch out, Ryan.
What else you got?
Ryan, watch out.
What else you got? Well, here, if I want to know what else you got, I'll just go look at my truck and see what else you got.
Huh? Just wondering what this is for.
No,
Ryan
his nitrous bottle on.
Carlos,
What's up with the switches, dude? What's going on over here, bro?
Nitrous. I just
What is this, dude?
It's all nitrous.
Is this custom?
See, there's this 1 and 2 stage.
Carlos, we mount the switches right here, bro. If you wanna hide them, that's where we do it.
Wait, I don't know what's
Biggest
the air
hater.
for. What? The air. I hear. What is air?
Dump the air.
But what are you dumping it out of?
What do you mean?
You're basically
I
shooting
heard
out
that.
the water.
You don't need it for my train horns because you and Ryan don't have train horns.
I've had train horns.
No,
I'm getting train horns,
but you
Why
don't,
do you
though.
need to dump the air out?
Because you have to drain your tanks, right? So that water in there, right? Moisture. So yeah, you don't want moisture.
It doesn't come out that way.
It doesn't come out. You gotta drain the bottom.
Mine does. Mine does.
No, it doesn't.
Does yours actually point down to the ground? Yeah. It doesn't really? Okay, if it points down, then it does what it needs to do.
All right, let's go see. Let's go see if it points down. Yeah, let's go see if it points down.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't point down.
It does not
Yeah,
point down.
no, he's full of it. I think more water's coming out when you hit your horns than when you hit that dump valve.
Yep, the dump valve is not where it should be.
But, Carlos.
still sounds cool.
Carlos, it's weird. We looked. It doesn't point down. Huh? It doesn't point down.
There's all this.
Hey, I stalled it last night, dude.
Come on, bro. Well, we had a great turnout here for Chad. Now everybody's jumping in the trucks. We're all gonna go get some fuel, and then I guess it's time to race. There's been a lot of people calling each other out, so this should be pretty exciting. Hey, don't block the diesel pump!
Hey, everyone is so mad right now. There's so many big trucks everywhere.
A little smoky over here. Hey, where'd you find that guy?
At the bus stop. That's the bus
He was
stop.
shaking this like
Cam?
Oh, you felt bad?
Hey, bro, yeah, I felt bad for him.
Chicolette.
What are our numbers right now? Because I remember last time you were less. Brand new engine.
right now, the best pull that I've done was 948 and just under 1,700 foot-pounds of torque.
And that's to the wheels,
That's
not
to
the crank.
wheels. That's to the wheels, but that's on stock tires, not on 40s.
Gotcha.
So
And without Jarek in there.
yeah, obviously without this guy.
Well, it looks like we have made it to Mexico. All right, we got the worst driver with the worst track record, and everybody's piling into his truck. Oh, God. Yeah. So how are the federales around this part? They all right?
Easy. We got them in our pocket.
All right, good. Yeah, everybody got money? Everybody got money?
Payroll.
Sweet. I'm glad I didn't decide to walk. This is the problem when Jarek plans things. Jarek, we're talking to you, buddy. It looks like there's dirt on the road up there. You're not gonna be able to stop before you hit that fucking sign. Bye, Wes. Bye, Carlos. That's cute. Yeah, Jared, great planning, buddy.
I got up to like 110.
I feel like
watch-
it's the only racing
watch
action we're
this
gonna
one.
see, so let me see it.
My drive shaft started shaking at like 120.
Damn, was that Carlos that just got dumped right there?
And then boom, limp mode, dude.
Well, then Wes is tranny slipping.
I'm gonna be building that trans soon.
Jeez, and you just had it built.
Dude, my stock one lasted longer than that.
Yikes. All right, you guys ready? Location number 2? All right, let's try this again. So spot number 1, the roads look a little sketchy. So I guess we're going to spot number 2. All right, so we've made it a little further deep into the mountains of Mexico. Yeah, we're gonna completely close down the road, make it legal. So really, this is the biggest grudge match between these two right here that Carlos said he was officially retired from racing after he beat Wheezy, but there was nobody else there to really witness it. I don't know what Carlos is doing right now. He's writing some custom tunes or something. Is that what those toggle switches are, bro? Where? Oh, you tuck the switches back up under there?
Good old Carlos over there trying to get his cheat on, you know?
Is he really?
Huh? Is he really?
He's really going to get service so he can change his tunes. Is that really what he's doing?
Yeah, he's probably on his phone. And
He's really that.
Yeah, he's gonna go change his tune.
has
He supposedly has an L5P killer tune. I don't know.
Oh, jeez. He has to go get service so he can change his tune off his phone. Carlos is ready? There it is. Looks like, I mean, the last time the race happened, Carlos' son filmed it. It was on some random road. We don't think the race is long enough. This one was as official as it gets. We got to hand it to Little Rhino over there.
What's up, Nardo? Hey, I'm calling out Nardini 86. Hey, run it back.
Little bitch. He won't do it back. He's a little girl. What tune is he on? I don't know. What tune are you on?
Let me hear the excuses now. Let me hear the excuses now.
I give you credit. I give
So
you
in
credit.
front of everybody, right?
I give you credit.
So only one that's faster than me. Well, damn it, Wes is here.
Let Wes
No,
talk.
Wes is fast.
Nah, he was definitely
I was bouncing
up and
everywhere.
down like this, but
Here comes, watch out. Here comes
okay.
I feel like he pulled on you. I think he had you and then he caught him.
I hit the dip. Don't know if like Carlos.
I know he's great. Hey,
Let's do it again.
I hit the dip too.
Switch lanes. Switch lanes.
I'm retired, bro.
Switch lanes. Oh, here we go.
2 out of 3.
Switch lanes.
Hey, if he beat you on the hey,
I
listen,
did it in front of everybody like you asked.
Carlos.
And nobody believed
Carlos,
me that
2
I
out of
beat
3.
you.
Switch lanes. If you win again, you win.
Yeah.
Nothing's gonna happen. All
he
I was
goes
gonna
back to
say
the
is,
shitty lane if he wins this
all I
one.
was gonna say is, oh, this happened, that happened.
Hey, if he wins this one, he goes back to the shitty
Hey,
lane.
the L5P is overrated. LML, L5P is overrated, dude. Yeah, all over that, dude. It's overrated.
Yeah, what was that? What happened? What do we are?
So I have to. He said the only way he'll run me if I run Josh. So I'll take the L with Josh.
Yeah.
To get
And
the
then,
race.
and then, yeah, he'll race me. He has a gas supercharger. Wes's truck is super
You make
fast.
3 times
And
the
then I
torque.
will- and
Are
then-
these
and then-
excuses now that he's saying that I have?
Dude, I make
What are you talking about?
440.
Wes
pounds
should
of
beat me.
torque.
If he doesn't beat me,
How should
then
I?
don't
You
I
make
don't know
3
what's wrong.
times the torque.
I have
Hey, Josh
200
is in his truck.
foot-pounds of
Josh
torque
is
right
in his
now.
truck.
Yeah,
Go.
go get in your truck. Go get in your truck. Why are you still here? Go get in your truck.
Why is he mad? I don't even want to do it.
That's a good place to stand, Jared.
That's why I turned it.
Yeah, go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go right now. What's the?
I don't understand how he's gonna be in the right lane with West, but not with me.
All right, well, we got a lot of grudge matches out of the way. Later, buddy. Good seeing you, man. You too, brother. Thanks for being the fastest.
Always.
So with that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you're not missing any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.